the slope and y-intercept. Find the equation of the line in the form ax plus by equals to c with a slope of 2/3 and y-intercept of 5. So kapag ang given ay yung slope at ang y-intercept, ang gagamitin nating formula ay slope y-intercept formula. So ano nga ba yung slope y-intercept formula? Yun ay yung y is equal to mx plus b. Where yung m ay yung slope tapos yung b ay yung y-intercept. Ang gagawin lang natin, substitute lang natin. So y is equal to m. Ano yung slope? 2/3. 2/3 x plus y-intercept is 5. So dahil fraction to, itong slope, ang gagawin natin, cross multiply tayo. So y times 3, that is 3y. Is equal to, ito, 2x plus 5 na lang to. Sabi dito, in the form ax plus by equals to c. So, gagawin natin, nililipat natin yung 2x sa left side. Positive 2x magiging negative 2x plus 3y equals to 5. Dahil negative yun, so hindi naman pwedeng negative, ang gagawin natin, multiply natin both side by negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative 2x, yan ay magiging positive 2x. Negative 1 times positive 3y, yan ay magiging negative 3y, equals to negative 1 times 5, yan ay magiging negative 5. So, nahanap natin yung equation niya, which is 2x minus 3y equals to negative 5. Given the slope and a point, find the equation of the line in the form ax plus by equals to c that passes through the point 3, 5 in the slope of negative 3. So, kapag slope at point yung given, ang gagamitin nating formula ay point slope form. Ano yung point slope form? That is y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, ano yung slope natin? That is negative 3. X sub 1, that is 3. And y sub 1 is 5. Ang gagawin natin, substitute lang natin. So, that is y minus y sub 1, that is 5. Equals to m, that is negative 3. Times x minus x sub 1, that is 3. So, that is y minus 5. Negative 3 times x, that is negative 3x. Negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Then next step, yung negative 5 dito sa left side, lilipat sa right side. At yung negative 3x dito sa right side, lilipat sa left side. Okay, then negative 3x magiging positive 3x. Plus y equals to 9. Negative 5 magiging positive 5. So that is 3x plus y. 9 plus 5, 14. So yun ang equation natin. Given 2 points, find the equation of the line in the form ax plus by equals to c that passes through the point 2, 7 and negative 1, 1. So yan, dalawang points naman ang given. Meron tayong tatlong method para hanapin yung equation na kapag ang given ay dalawang points. First method, using 2-point form formula. Let point 1 is 2, 7, tapos point 2 yung negative 1, 1. And then ano nga ba yung formula ng 2-point formula? Ang formula ay y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Ang gagawin lang natin, substitute lang natin. Y minus y sub 1, that is 7. X minus x sub 1, that is 2. Equals y sub 2, that is 1, minus y sub 1, 7. Over x sub 2, that is 1, or negative 1, minus x sub 1, that is 2. So, lagay na lang nandito. So, y minus 7 over x minus 2 is equal to 1 minus 7 is negative 6. Negative 1 minus 2, yan ay negative 3. Yan, negative 6 divided by negative 3, that is positive 2. So, y minus 7 over x minus 2 is equal to positive 2. The next step, cross multiplication tayo. So, ito may over 1 ito. So, y minus 7 times 1, that is y minus 7, equals to 2 times x minus 2. Then ay y minus 7 is equal to distributive property. So, 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 2, yan ay negative 4. Then, gawin natin sa form na ax plus by equals to c. So, yung negative 7, ilipat natin sa right side and yung 2x, ilipat natin sa left side. Positive 2x magiging negative 2x. Plus y is equal to negative 4. Then, negative 7 magiging positive 7. So, negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 4 plus 7, yan ay positive 3. Dahil negative itong 2x, negative 2x yan, multiply natin both side by negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative 2x, yan ay positive 2x. Then, negative 1 times positive y magiging negative y. Negative 1 times positive 3 magiging negative 3. So, yan na yung equation. Next method, gamitin naman natin yung slope at slope-intercept form. So, nahanapin muna natin yung slope. Anong formula ng slope? M is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 equals to x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, substitute lang natin. Y sub 2, that is 1, minus y sub 1, that is 7. O x sub 2, that is negative 1, minus x sub 1, that is positive 2. So, yan ay 1 minus 7, yan ay negative 6. Negative 1 minus 2, that is negative 3. And negative 6 divided by negative 3, that is positive 2. So, yan ang slope. Ang slope ay positive 2. Then next, determine natin yung value ng b gamit yung formula na y is equal to mx plus b. So, substitute lang natin sa y is equal to mx plus b. Pero anong gagamitin nating y at x? So, kahit alin dito sa given, pwedeng 2, 7 o negative 1, 1. Unahin natin yung 2, 7. Pakita ko sa inyo. Substitute natin. So, y, so 7 na yan, is equal to m, yung slope natin, that is 2, times x, that is 2, plus b. So, 7 is equal to 2 times 2, 4, plus b. And then, ilipat natin yung 4 sa kabila. So, 7 minus positive 4 maging negative 4 equals to b. So, 7 minus 4, that is 3. Ang value ng b ay 3. Paano naman kung isang point ang gamitin natin? Try natin, negative 1, 1. So, y, that is positive 1, equals to m, 2, times x, negative 1, plus b. That is 1 is equal to 2 times negative 1, negative 2, plus b. And then, lipat natin yung negative 2. So, that is 1, negative, nagiging positive 2. So, 1 plus 2, that is 3. Ang value ng b ay 3. Pareho ba nang nakakuha? Pareho. Then, third step, i-substitute natin yung mga nakuha nating values sa y is equal to mx plus b. So, y is equal to m, that is 2. Then, lagay natin x plus b. Ano yung b? 3. Pero sabi kanina, ang form niya daw ay dapat ax plus by equals to c. So, yung 2x, ilipat natin sa left side. So, positive 2x, yan ay maging negative 2x plus y equals to positive 3. At dahil negative yan, yung x, gawin natin, i-multiply natin sa negative 1. Yan, multiply natin sa negative 1. Negative 1 times negative 2x, yan ay magiging positive 2x. And then, negative 1 times positive y, yan ay magiging negative y. That is equal to negative 1 times 3, that is negative 3. So, the equation is 2x minus y equals to negative 3. Third method, gamitin natin yung slope and point slope form. So, una, compute natin yung slope. So, na-compute na natin yung slope kanina, which is positive 2. So, hindi ko na-explain yan para mabilis. Then, point slope form. So, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. So, substitute lang natin. Ano yung y sub 1 natin? 7. Ano yung x sub 1? 2. So, substitute natin. So, y equals to y sub 1, that is 7, is equal to m. Ano yung m slope? 2. That times x minus x sub 1, that is 2. Distributive properties, at i-distribute natin yung 2 dito. So, y minus 7 is equal to 2 times x, 2x. 2 times negative 2, negative 4. Okay, then lilipat natin yung negative 7 sa left side papunta sa right side at yung 2x sa left side. Positive 2x magiging negative 2x na yan. Plus y is equal to negative 4. Negative 7 magiging positive 7. Ayan. So, negative 2x plus y is equal to negative 4 plus 7, that is positive 3. And then again, negative 2 yun. So, multiply natin both side by negative 1. Okay, so negative 1 times negative 2x yan ay magiging positive 2x. Negative 1 times positive y yan magiging negative y equals to positive 3 magiging negative 3. So, yan na yung equation natin. So, ito ang video natin para sa araw na ito. At sana nag-enjoy kayo at may bago kayo natutunan. At huwag kakalimutang mag-like, mag-share, at mag-subscribe at pinutin na rin ang notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong video.